Hi everyone, this is Ms. Z. I'm here to show you how to log on so you can see the collection of books that we have that are online for you at Santa Ana High School. Okay, so you can see, I'm on my Google um, search engine. So type in SAHS library. Okay, once you type in SAHS library, you will see our library up here, over here. So go ahead and click on that. And then once you go to the library website, you are going right over here where it says Library Catalog. You're going to click on Library Catalog because that will take you, once you sign in, to view our ebooks. This is the page it takes you to the whole Santa Ana Unified School District and all the schools. What you're going to do is go to this top right corner. See over here where it says District Users Login? You're going to go there and you're going to log in, and I'm going to show you how. Once you hit it, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side where it says sign in with your Google. You're going to sign in with your SAUSD accounts. So click onto that. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on using a different address. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign in your account. And it's going to be at sausdlearns.net. See right here? You're going to type in your school ID, sausd.learns.net. Now, once that you've signed in, it's going to take you into this page. This is your Destiny Discover. This is where you're going to search for your books that we have in the library, audiobooks and ebooks, okay? So, two ways you can look for a book. You can scroll down, as you can see right here, these are recent books added, but these are books that have been added that are physical books. We need to scroll down because down below you're going to see ebooks right here, and you're also going to see audiobooks right here. So these are the two sections that I would just focus on because these are the books that you're going to be able to read from home, okay? So that's one way. And of course, you can see that they have arrows that you can scan and just view the books that they have. As again, another way you can search is go up to the search bar. You can put in a title. I'm going to write Great Gatsby because some of you are reading it as a novel in class, and it's going to take you. And these are the search results that we came up with. As you can see, the first one shows, if you can see it right here, it's going to say Follett audiobook. That means it's a book that you can listen to. Okay, and you can listen to it, and you can also physically read it onto your computer. Down below, it shows a book. At this time, we can't check out any books because we're not in the library. But if you go further down, we have a video right here. We have another book. So yes, just continue to scroll down and it'll show you what kind of devices we have. Also, we have some filters onto the left side. You can also go by subject if you'd like. You can put in your genre if you know the genre. You can put in the format you would like ebook. You can put that in there. Follett audiobooks, you can put that in there as well to make it a little bit easier for you guys. But and you also have more search options over here. So with keywords, with your format, again, that could be an ebook or an audiobook. And it's just going to give you some different options for you. But that's if you'd like to use it. If not, you can always just type in the title of the book up at the top, right up here, like I did with Great Gatsby, and you can proceed from there. Otherwise, this is just the basic functions of the Destiny Discover for you. And if you have any more questions, you can go ahead and contact Miss Van through the email or myself through email, and you can find our emails on the library website, which is over here. Okay, guys, so anyway, take care and good luck.